Hey everyone, back again with another discussion experiment for the week. As you can see, we're outside now. So for this week, we are going to do a chemical reaction where we mix baking soda and vinegar. So basically, it is an acid-base reaction. It is pretty combustive in nature. So that is why we're outside, because I don't think my parents would appreciate me blowing up their house. But you know, so basically what will be happening with this reaction is we will have um, distilled white vinegar, which actually if you look on the label it says 5% acid. So reacting with baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, which is a base. And so the vinegar, which is also known as acetic acid, as its acid-based product, and then the baking soda or sodium bicarbonate will do is they will form basically three products, and those products are sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. And the formation of the carbon dioxide is what gives the reaction its combustive component. So I'm going to mix them now. I know this week's experiment was supposed to be creating a bottle rocket. I'm kind of just gonna do a similar variation where I put baking soda in a balloon instead, and we'll see how it goes. So again, I have my vinegar. I put it into this bottle here, and I have a balloon attached to a funnel. So I'm just gonna pour some baking soda into the balloon. Okay, I might have gotten a little full send with that. Okay, so baking soda in the balloon, went a little full send, so hold on. Okay, and we're back now. So again, miscellaneous amount of baking soda in this little balloon. So we're gonna see. So as you can see beforehand, I have separated here the baking soda in the vinegar. So I'm gonna walk back and put the bottle away from me and then mix the baking soda and vinegar, and we will see what we get when we do this reaction. So okay, so as you can see, we have a reaction where the gas produced by the vinegar and the baking soda mixing together has kind of inflated the balloon. So this is our proof of the CO2 production. And then our mixture of the baking soda also forming acetic acid and water. So that is pretty much it for this week's experiment. This is just one of our examples of an acid-base reaction. You can also kind of perform a similar reaction if you've ever seen or dumped Mentos into like a bottle of Coke. Similar reaction, pretty combustive, or can be if you're not careful. But yeah, so that is this week's reaction for acids and bases. And so basically, um, in also a hindsight, forgot to explain this earlier. So basically when you mix acids and bases, a lot of times what we're trying to do is create a neutral mixture or solution. So essentially we try to have enough acids and base like enough H plus ions and enough OH molecules to kind of balance out. And so even though it is a reversible reaction, we kind of see acid-base reactions as something that goes to completion. So once all of the acid or base molecules have been bound or neutralized, then we consider it a complete reaction because we then have a neutral solution. So that is this week's interactive discussion / experiment. Hope everyone enjoyed my explanation, and I'll see you again next week.